Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Mafia 3 Definitive Edition on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you open it up, log in using your email address and your password. Once you are taken into the store page, just type in Mafia 3 and begin your search. Once you find the Mafia 3 Definitive Edition game, just tap on it and you can now check the trailer and also the reviews that are left by users. Just scroll down and then tap on the Add to Cart button in order to begin your purchase. You can also check the game demo from the demo option by adding it to your library or downloading it right away. Once you add it inside your cart, you can tap on the Go to Cart button and now you can continue towards the payment. Just choose your payment method from the drop-down menu and proceed forward with the Continue button. Now, if you have chosen PayPal, for instance, you will simply need to log in using your PayPal credentials. And verifying your purchase, the payment will be completed, and the game will now be added to your library. And now you can complete the installation with just a few clicks to start enjoying the Mafia 3 Definitive Edition on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Mafia 3 Definitive Edition on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.